Alright, today we're going to make a higher protein French toast. This method requires no flipping, creates no stovetop mess, and is done in one batch, so we're not worried about things getting cold in the middle of cooking. On screen now is a protein comparison between this video and what a standard French toast recipe could look like. Notice how we have 11.6 grams of protein in our custard, whereas standard French toast only has 8.67. And while I wouldn't say this recipe is completely low calorie, it does have less calories than the standard French toast recipe, as you can see from these charts here. And with that, let's begin by preheating the oven to 425 and making sure we have one rack on the very bottom and another rack on the very top. While that's going, let's make our custard. So to get the egg white, we crack the egg, put it in the bowl, and I like to just grab the egg yolk. Some people like to spoon it in between the cracked eggshells, but I find that method breaks the yolk very easily. To the egg white, we add our salt, cinnamon, vanilla, yogurt, and protein powder. Give it a good mix, and if it's looking a little bit too thick, feel free to add a dash of water till it gets to the consistency that you like. You may have to mix this more than regular French toast because that protein powder really gets it nice and thick. So just keep going, adding water till you get where you want it to be. Once the oven is done preheating, we put our bread on the tray and bake it for 2 minutes on each side. This way we avoid getting the too soggy, too soft French toast. After toasting both sides of the bread, take it off the tray and spray the tray with nonstick spray. And now to dunk the bread. So take your first slice, dip it in there, count to 3 Mississippi. Then flip it over, count to 3 Mississippi again, wipe off any excess custard and put it on the tray. Repeat this with the next slice. Now we bake it for 3 minutes on the lowest rack in the oven. After that time is up, we broil it for 2 minutes on the highest rack in the oven. After that, you're done. Enjoy your higher protein French toast. You can use any protein powder that you want. I use chocolate because I like it and it's what I have on hand, but you can use vanilla or non-flavored as well. I hope you found this recipe useful, and for more videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.